Welcome to the business courses. In this area, you're going to notice that it's quite different from the old business course area. So if you're a current student, welcome to this page. If you are new, welcome to this page as well. If you are a current student in the business courses, you know you can actually go to the Continue and Ed tab on the home page for the student area and see all of the old videos. But here, everything is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be focusing a little differently on how I produce videos for this particular course because I'm adding in a mentorship program. So with that said, I would love to give you guys more information about this mentorship program and to see where you guys are as far as your business is concerned. So the best way I can do that is a live. The next live for the business courses only will be September the 29th. That will be a Sunday, and that will be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about what's new and what's going to be happening. So when you scroll down, you'll see a button there that says watch the live or join the live. At that scheduled time, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's September the 29th, that's on a Sunday, that's when you can join the live. It's video conference style if you're not aware of that, because I want to be able to hear you and get your questions answered and be able to explain to you how this particular course is changing since I'm getting ready to make it available to everyone. So if you are a current student as of right now, everything that I'm going to be talking about you have access to anyway. So enjoy September the 29th, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's a Sunday. It's also 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. I believe that's 11 a.m. Let me make sure I'm getting the right, 11 a.m. Post Standard Time, and then that's 8 p.m. Europe time because I'm 6 hours behind and you guys are 6 hours ahead. So just in case you're an international business owner or in this course as a business owner. So you'll scroll down, see there's nothing else there. The reason why is because I'm going to be putting it in 3 tiers, but I honestly won't be sure of that quite just yet until you guys communicate to me your needs when I talk about the membership program. So it's going to be on e-commerce and selling your wigs. It's going to be on hair loss business. Those of you who are trichologists, stylists, salon owners will be there, and those that are providing a particular service like education or business to business. I'm going to be doing the business courses in 3 tiers. There will be a live mentorship course like this with the live for the very first one every last Sunday of the month. So just make sure you're there this last Sunday in September so that I can make sure I communicate all of the changes and what's going to be happening, and you guys can communicate to me what your needs are, and then we can go from there. See you in the live.